All right, Dr. Narayan, good morning. So since you believe that there may not be a major correction underway, just purely for the trading day, what are the stocks that you would trade on the upside?
I would still wait for stocks with some kind of news element attached to it, because that is what is producing a little bit of conviction for people to buy. So whatever stock has some sort of news element for the day, we are finding that they remain reasonably active. But then the safer way to go would be to pick stocks which are into a very, very firm trend. And amongst that, I would probably certainly look to pick some banking stocks even now. With the policy out of the way, also the banking stocks have shown great deal of resilience. I think Kotak Bank is a mix of momentum as well as the news which is at the back of it. So I think Kotak should be certainly there on a trader as well as a short-term investors list. Of course, it's always there on a long-term investors list. So I think Kotak Bank is something that I would most certainly favor for buys at the current level as well as on dips. Maybe another stock from the banking space which has a lot of momentum would be either Oriental Bank or Bank of India. Both of these have shown very good momentum to the upside, and I think I would chance my arm with one of those. Among the financials, I think I would also look at maybe LIC Housing Finance, which has been moving pretty consistently and has been very, very resilient in terms of the reaction. So these are some things I would look at from the financial space. I think Biocon is again setting off on a move. It had a decent base around 440, has come off it, has been consolidating on its way up. So that's something very positive. It's not had those big spurts. So I think Biocon is something I would look at. Lupin has been in the news. So Lupin is somewhere where I think there is still another maybe 25-50 rupees on the upside before it reaches some sort of projected targets.